Hey, what's up YouTube? What is up, Aquamigos? Thank you guys so much for joining me today. I really appreciate that. If you guys don't know who I am, my name is Tobias and welcome to my YouTube channel. And today what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be installing and reviewing these LED lights. And just really quick, before we get started, I'm going to show you guys the Amazon page for this real quick. I have it up here on my computer and here it is right here. It's by a brand called Allkeys, and if you go down here, there is a 16-foot option and a 32-foot option. I got the 32-foot option. It goes for $29.99 and it comes with free shipping. And I'm gonna have the link for this Amazon page down in the description of this video in case you want to check it out for yourself. And just really quick before we get started, if you guys like this video or if this video helps you out at all, I would really appreciate it if you went down there and gave this video a like. That would help me out so much. And also, if you want to see more videos by me in the future, make sure you go down there, hit that subscribe button, hit that bell notifications button. I do a bunch of different kinds of videos. I do a bunch of tech reviews, a bunch of fish videos, a bunch of pond videos, music videos, and even the occasional car video from time to time. And let's go ahead and get into this. So just taking a quick look at the packaging, I went ahead and turned this over, and there's a couple things that were kind of alarming right off the bat. One thing is that number one right here, it says it's a 220 volt connection. Here in the US, our outlets are 110. And then it says this right here, it says warm prompt. And I'm not really sure what that means. Is that supposed to be like a warning? Like it's warning me that this thing could get warm? And then up here it says LED controller powery. I'm pretty sure that's supposed to say power. So I'm gonna go ahead and start off with a quick unboxing and then we'll test it out. Alright guys, so here's everything that came inside the box. It didn't come with any instructions, but it looks pretty much self-explanatory. It did come with this little card right here, and it explains downloading the app. Because I guess there is a smartphone app that you can download to control the lights, like change the colors, turn them on and off and stuff. And then of course it also has the remote control to do the same. And these are the actual LED lights themselves. If you look at the bottom part of them, it looks like there is some sort of like adhesive underneath this. So when you want to mount these, you want to go ahead and peel this off, and then it should be sticky underneath, and you can mount it on a wall or whatever you want to do. And it came with two separate rolls. So I'm guessing the way that it works is that if you order the 32 foot, it comes with two of these. And if you order the 16 foot, it just comes with one roll. And the rest of the stuff should be the same in both packages, the 32 foot or the 16 foot. This looks like a transformer, I guess. Right here we have the actual power cable. Then we have this little sticky pad thing from 3M. It also comes with this little piece right here. And it looks like what this is for, it's for connecting two female ends of the LED light to each other. So if you look at this right here, it looks like that little piece can connect two of these together. This piece right here, it looks like it gets plugged into the transformer. And then the other end is meant to plug the light strip into. And then finally, this piece right here, it looks like it's a splitter for the LED light strips. So you could have them going in like, each roll going in like a different direction. And you won't have to connect one to the other. So I'm just about ready to go ahead and set this up. And let me show you how I'm gonna do it. So I'm gonna stand on top of this chair right here. And if you guys didn't know, I live down here in this guest house. This is my parents' property and I stay in the guest house, like in back of the main house. So the main house is like up that hill, like you can kind of see the roof like up there. That's like the roof up there. And I stay down here in the guest house, and basically the guest house is one giant room divided into three parts by these dividers. And as you can see, they do not go all the way up to the ceiling. So what I thought would be really cool is if I set up these LED lights to run along the top of the dividers, shining upwards, so pretty much shining onto the ceiling. So before I go ahead and set up the lights and everything, I just want to plug them in to make sure that they work. So I don't know if you guys could hear that, but it kind of made a popping noise when I plugged it into the socket. Alright guys, that was pretty cool. So far so good. You know, nothing's feeling warm or anything. Nothing that I should... Pretty much there's nothing that I feel like I should be worrying about yet. So maybe that popping thing wasn't such a big deal, but yeah, let's go ahead and set this thing up. So I figured out a pretty good place to have my extension cord starting. I think what I'm gonna do is have it over here, and I'm going to plug it into this, I have a power strip back here. I'm gonna plug the extension cord into there, have it run behind this furniture right here, and then have the cable go up behind this cabinet right there. And then up here is where I will have my light strip starting. Like, I'm gonna try to get it right on that corner. And then run all the way along that side, and then all the way down this side. I think it should reach. That's definitely way less than 32 feet. So it's pretty much gonna go in an L shape. So the first thing that I already did is I went up there with a damp cloth and I wiped down all the surfaces where I'm going to be sticking the LED lights, and then I went ahead and dried it all off, and that's to ensure that there's not going to be any dust on top, because when the sticky part of the LED light goes down, it needs to be able to stick to a clean surface so it doesn't lift up. If you have dust or anything else on there, you know, of course it's not going to be able to stick properly to that surface. Alright, now I'm ready to set this up. Alright guys, so I ended up having quite a bit left over, so at the top of this divider right here, I actually had it continue down the wall, all the way to the floor. There are like two parts that were kind of like hard to deal with. One of them was like right here where I had to connect the second strip to the first one. So I kind of did it like that for now, and I might flatten it down like that or something. And then over here, there's one part where I had to do this like 90-degree angle. Let me turn the lights on actually, and then we can see it better. All right guys, there we go. Lights are on all the way around. Let me change the colors a couple times for you. These buttons, these black ones, they like switch through all the colors, so let's try that. I ended up having it go down this wall, and then instead of cutting it, I just made it go down, and then along the desk, and then underneath the desk. And that's the blanket that Rico the Chihuahua likes to sleep on. But yeah, so it ends right there. So far so good guys. The adhesive that keeps the lights stuck to the top of those dividers, it seems pretty high quality so far. Like, I feel like it's really stuck on there well. I'll come back and show you guys what it looks like at night. Alright guys, so it's almost completely dark outside. Check this out, it looks so cool. I'm gonna turn this lamp off right now. Whoa. That's awesome. Whoa. So cool. Ooh, that looks cool. So one thing that I was kind of wondering is if like any of the electrical components would be like getting warm, and You know, I mean, this thing's a little bit warm, but not hot at all. This thing's a little bit warm, but not, I mean, yeah, like it just seems fine. So far, it's working great. I think it's a great purchase. I can definitely recommend this. Now, let's just go ahead and test out the app that it recommends to download. So it looks like this is the app right here. Let's go ahead and download it. Please click the plus button and follow instructions, all right? Let's go ahead and do this. All right, guys, check it out. So what you have to do is you have to make an account on this Magic Home app, and then once you're in there, you connect to your Wi-Fi. You just follow the instructions. It's super simple. You connect to your device, and then it's all hooked up, right? So check this out. So the lights are now connected through my phone. So if I want to turn them off, I'll just hit the power button on my phone. Oh, I guess it takes a second. So there it goes. I could turn them on and off with my phone now. All right, so say if I click on the device, oh, there we go. You could select which color you want the lights to be. So I'm just gonna move this around. Say we want it like pinkish. Yeah, now it changed to, I don't know why on the camera it looks blue, but it's like pink. Yeah, it's so cool. You could change it to whatever you want and it'll change on the lights. Super cool. And of course down here you could change the brightness, so all the way down, all the way up. All right, guys, let's see what these functions are. Cyan gradual change, what does that do? Oh, I guess it like makes it like pulsate. That's interesting. I don't, oh, no way. So it goes by, oh, that is awesome. Guys, okay, check this out. Alright guys, so the Magic Home app totally makes this light strip setup so much cooler. Like, it was already super cool just using the remote wherever I put it, but having the app on your phone makes it do like so much more stuff. It's just so cool. I definitely went into this video or review or whatever you want to call it feeling a little iffy about this product. Was like, you know, I hope it's not some cheap product that doesn't work properly, but it ended up working perfectly fine. The thing about the 220 volts, like, it wasn't an issue at all. And as long as these lights like are reliable and they last a long time, I think it's totally a great buy. I think it's totally worth the money. Once again, guys, I will have the link for this down in the description of this video in case you want to check it out for yourself. But I think it is like so cool. I'm so happy with this. I've been wanting to set up LED lights in my room for a while, and I think it came out so cool. So anyways, guys, if you guys like this video, I would really appreciate it if you went down there and gave this video a like. That would help me out so much. And if you want to see more videos by me in the future, make sure that you subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notifications button. And I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Peace!